Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green onion seedlings. First, choose a sunny location that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, prepare your soil. Green onions thrive in well-draining soil, like a sandy loam or a good quality potting mix. If you are using containers, make sure they have adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. This initial preparation is key for healthy growth. Now, let's get those seedlings into the ground. Dig small holes, about 1/2 inch deep, and space them 2 to 3 inches apart. If planting in rows, leave about 12 inches between rows. Carefully place one green onion seedling into each hole, ensuring its roots are fully covered. Lightly firm the soil around the base of each plant to secure it. After planting, immediate watering is crucial to help settle the soil around the roots. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Green onions prefer a steady supply of moisture. For an extra boost, consider applying a balanced liquid fertilizer once every 2 to 3 weeks to support vigorous growth. You can begin harvesting your green onions when they are about 6 to 8 inches tall. To encourage continuous regrowth, simply cut the leaves about 1 inch above the soil line. This method allows the plant to produce new shoots, providing you with fresh green onions for weeks. Expect new growth to appear within 1 to 2 weeks after your initial harvest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.